Thinking of starting a robotics training and development business in Singapore? Here's what you need to know. Singapore is actively investing in robotics, automation, and Industry 4.0, creating strong demand for robotics education across schools, universities, and corporate training. From coding and AI robotics to industrial automation training, opportunities are growing fast. First, decide your business focus. Will you offer robotics courses for students, professional certification programs, or customized corporate training? You may also provide curriculum development, hands-on workshops, or robotics lab setup services. Next, register your company with ACRA. Most entrepreneurs choose a private limited company for credibility and scalability. Depending on your services, you may need approvals from agencies like MOE or Skills Future Singapore. You'll also need qualified trainers, proper training facilities, safety compliance, and suitable equipment. Protect your intellectual property, especially if you develop proprietary training modules or robotic software. Finally, manage your finances carefully. Proper accounting, tax planning, and grant advisory can help you grow sustainably. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we help you with company incorporation, licensing support, accounting, tax compliance, and business advisory, so you can focus on building the future of robotics education.